Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's on everyone's minds: the rise of AI and its potential to replace human intelligence. But can it really? AI can replicate and even surpass certain aspects of human intelligence, particularly in tasks that involve pattern recognition, data analysis, and automation. For example, AI can quickly process and analyze large amounts of data, make predictions, and perform repetitive tasks with high accuracy. However, AI lacks certain human qualities, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, ethical reasoning, and the ability to understand context deeply. While AI can assist and augment human capabilities, it is unlikely to fully replace human intelligence. Instead, it is more likely to complement human intelligence, enabling humans to focus on more complex, creative, and emotionally nuanced tasks that AI cannot easily replicate. The collaboration between human and artificial intelligence has the potential to be powerful, leveraging the strengths of both.